for this butterfly we will need one square size origami sheet. It may be little bit smaller also, little bit bigger also, it doesn't matter, but you need a square size origami sheet. Okay, now follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Now we'll fold it diagonally like this, open it, fold it like this, again diagonally, open it, then fold it like this, open. Now this one is left, so we will fold it this way also. Open it. Now you can see altogether 8 lines are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now folding is little bit done. Now let's reverse it like this. This is our square size paper. We will hold the corners only. Okay, one corner, then fold it like this. This corner will come here, again this corner will be here. This one we will fold reverse. This one we will fold reverse by making it like this. Both the corners will come like this. Okay, see, can you see? This is one corner, this is another corner, and at the opposite side also these two corners we have held like this. Okay, now this way. Okay, now you see these are two lines, we can see these two lines we can see, so we will fold it like this. Okay, just fold it like this. Now you see all four sides are here. Now hold it firmly. See, these are open side, this side is open and this is a closed point. Okay, hold the closed point on top and this open sides hold it together towards the bottom. Okay, now take a scissor and make a small cut here. This much only, this much only. Okay, can you see this curve? This curve we need actually. Then open it like this. Again it's your previous paper, these two folds, these two folds. Okay, now we are taking it like this, holding it like this, and this is our midline. Okay, we will now fold it like this. This part we will fold like this. This part also we will fold like this. These top two parts we will fold like this. Done? Yes. Now we will just this way we did. Now we will reverse it. Okay, and after reversing, what will we do? This point we will hold on. Hold this point, and if you fold it here, it will reach this point only, but we have to make it little bit ahead of this. Okay, little bit ahead. So we will just bring it like this. We will bend it. We will not make this fold a sharp fold. This will not be a sharp fold. This will be a just hunk type. Okay, so this way this will come on top of this point. Okay, and just fold it like this. Fold it like this. Done. Then hold it like this. Hold for 2 seconds. Leave it. This is your beautiful butterfly.